That Copilot is sitting next to you in the background, listening to every single person, doing a transcript of every single meeting, looking at every single chat, has access to every single calendar within your environment, has access to all your emails, and now has access to all your files as well, and can read them in seconds. So from meeting transcriptionist to actionable notes to next steps, Copilot is your assistant, your admin resource that costs a lot less than an admin resource and doesn't talk back. It acts as your assistant. It acts as your agent, and it's called an AI agent. Really, that's what it is. So an AI agent, because it's seamlessly integrated within Teams and other 365 everything in 365, and I do mean your Word, Excel. It reads the files and the content within the files, because it's looking at that content and it has complete control and complete visibility into what you have. You could also load your own information and train it. It gives you customization and training on how to get Copilot agent to read your content and answer questions. Now you no longer have to try to find something in a document. You ask it, go find me this. I know it exists somewhere in a document somewhere. Go find it for me and bring me that information. Explain it to me because I don't understand it. Act as. So prompting in AI in general, especially Copilot, is very important. How you ask it to go get the information, how you train it. It's key here for it to be able to provide you the right content and the content that you want. I'm going to show you this. It happens quickly. Now, I talk about all this. It doesn't mean it's going to take a long time for you to upload your stuff to it, right? But it may take longer for you to tell it how to answer specific questions. Because as you ask it first, you see its response, and then you're able to do something about the response.